In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your OneNote files quickly and easily, even if you're not sure where they were saved on your computer. This is a really common question, especially because modern versions of OneNote sync directly to the cloud instead of storing everything in one obvious folder on your device. So if you've been searching through your files and still can't find your notebooks, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through the exact place to look. And if this video helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to OneDrive.live.com. This is where Microsoft stores your OneNote notebook shortcuts and synced files through your Microsoft account. Once the OneDrive page loads, sign in with the same Microsoft account that you use for OneNote. This is important because if you're signed into the wrong account, you may not see the notebooks you're looking for. After you're signed in, look at the left sidebar and click My Files. Inside My Files, open the Documents folder. This is the location where OneNote Internet shortcuts are usually stored. These shortcuts are not the full notebook files themselves, but they are the links that take you directly to your notebooks. When you see your notebook shortcuts, simply click one of them. That will open your notes in a web browser, and from there, you can view and access your notebook content online. If you have multiple notebooks, you may need to check a few shortcuts to find the exact one you want. And if you're using OneNote on multiple devices, this method is especially useful because it helps you locate the cloud-synced version of your notes rather than searching for a local file that may not exist. One more thing to keep in mind, because OneNote is designed to sync with Microsoft Cloud services, your notebooks may not appear like traditional documents in File Explorer. That's why going through OneDrive is the fastest and most reliable way to find them. So to recap, go to OneDrive.live.com, open My Files, go into Documents, and click the Notebook shortcuts to open your OneNote files. If this video helped you out, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.